Back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna unbox and test out and show you guys all about the trending chopper, one of the best seller on Amazon here. This is a 4-in-1 FullStar chopper plus. This thing got incredible review, so we're gonna chop up some peppers and apples, and let's put this bad boy to the test. Now, as I always tell everybody on Product Zone, check in the description box below for all price and more details about the product. And you can see right here, this is how it comes. This is what came in the box. We have the tray, we have the top part, we have different cutter. We have like a bigger square one, we have a mini small one, we have different slicer. You could do different option of slicing, making those twisty curl cucumbers and stuff. And this right here is the spike thing. Basically what this does, you stick it on like your apple or cucumbers and stuff, and you just turn it and you start slicing stuff. And here you have like a little cleaner too, a little claw, and we have our cleaning stuff. So this is pretty cool. Very easy and simple to use this. All you do is take the top part and you put it on right here like that. Now when you open up this, it tells you this side up. So we're gonna pop that in right there, and here you have a lock and unlock. We're gonna make sure we lock it so it can't come out. Safety is always there. So you can see it's small, and when you finish cleaning up, you could put most of the stuff in here, so it does not take up a lot of space. I sliced my apple up into pieces, should make it better. So we're gonna put a piece of apple right there, and you place. Oh, a little pop, but you could see within seconds everything is done. We're gonna toss a piece of pepper in there to show you guys, and then we're gonna do this small one. So pepper is more easier. Look at that. So this is really good. It saves time, a lot of time. It's not hard to clean up. Look, there's barely anything. It's not hard to clean up. Trust me, it's very easy. But you can see that. Now we're gonna swap the blade. This is how you swap it. Easy and stuff. You go to unlock. I went to unlock. And then you take it out, then you put on your small one like that, and then we lock it like that. We're gonna do a piece of apple here to show you. It's gonna be really small pieces. Yeah, you gotta kind of give it a little chop. Whoa, look at that. That's neat. I have to see this. I'm excited. Whoa. Look at that, little bits of... You could probably put a whole block of cheese in here too and just like smash it down. And ready? Here we go. Gotta give it a good... Wow. Incredible. Look at that. You could do your tomatoes and stuff like your diced tomatoes in seconds. I love this thing. This thing is pretty cool. Other thing to these blades, they'll come right here, and same thing. You lock. When you're done, you remove this one, and you could put this one in. And then what you do, you stick it your vegetable stuff, and you just wind it, you know, like clockwise going around, and everything will be coming out curly. I do not have any cucumbers right now, but it works pretty cool. Just wanted to give you an idea. You see the blade in there? Incredible. Listen, for the price, you cannot go wrong with all this attachment and stuff inside. It's incredible. It's a good quality. It cleans easily. Look, we use it and barely anything in there. You could cut up multiple stuff on this. This I highly recommend. Really good for creating food. Make it looks like art and fun. The kids will love to eat all the stuff chopped up like this. How incredible that is. And then when you're done, look, you empty it out, and then you just rinse this out, put it to dry, easily clean up. Check in the description box for price and details. Any question, comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. We give our honest review and we test product out, and we make sure if it's cheesy, I will let you guys know it's cheesy. It's not cheesy. This is actually a pretty cool product, kitchen gadget. I will definitely recommend. Thumbs up from Product Zone. I'll see you guys next time.